Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you my trick to clean the very tight inside areas of your car, places where you cannot come with a high pressure washer. How do you remove all this dirt and how you can do this safely, and while you're removing the dirt actually also add a protective layer there. So for example here, these areas, you'll probably know them, it's very dirty there, probably nobody ever cleans there. Also there, I have tried, for example, in the past to go here with my hand and with a towel, but damage my hand, doesn't work. You cannot get in these cracks over there. It's a very good example here. So I was thinking, okay, how can I do this? How can I do this safely without destroying my hand, without scratching the car, but actually removing all the dirt in a very easy operation? And also these areas where normally a wax or a sealant never goes, but perhaps actually need it the most, protect them throughout the whole season. So what I'm using is a glove. It's just a wash glove that you can clean the car with. My fingers are protected from these sharp areas here, as you can see. And but with the glove I can go with my fingers in between all the difficult cracks. And because I don't have water nearby, I also don't want to high pressure wash this, I use this product from Turtle Wax, which is, here you can see it correct. It is a ceramic 3-in-1 detailer. What's most important actually is that this is a waterless car wash. So it not only cleans the area, but also you're going to be protecting this area, ceramic detailer, so that the dirt won't attach to it very well throughout the season and it stays cleaner longer. So here I have a very good test object, as you can see, very dirty. And now I'm going to be spraying the Turtle Wax on there. Let's see how that goes. I feel a bit like a bear with this glove. It's good for in the winter. So I'll actually spray this gently because, also here on the top, this area really needs it. It smells nice, it smells a bit like berries and some forest fruit. It's definitely pleasant. Let's see now if I can get, let's say, this poodle here clean. I go in with my glove, and as you can see with my finger, I can just go straight in there. And this wash mitt, look at that, it just catches everything like this with the wash mitt and my finger. I'm not hurting my finger. I'm also gentle on the surfaces, and also here you can see that, hope you can see that. I go over it, and that's how I'm able to clean in these small cracks. And while I'm actually doing that, I'm also leaving a protection because of this ceramic 3-in-1 detailer. Put it, let's say, here on the back of my car and remove some surface dirt while you're traveling. Or afterwards, you could also use it as a topper after your car wash. I actually really like to use these things to make sure that I can clean these very difficult cracks in my car. And I think the product is then actually maybe, I hope it makes sense, 1 + 1 in my opinion is 3. You have the synergy of the waterless cleaning, that it's also gentle for the car, and that it helps also to protect and repel dirt, and that's, I think, most important in these tough areas. So let's continue a bit with this test object. Here I have really a lot of dirt, as you can see. Now I'm going here now with my finger. Sorry for the out of focus of the camera. But I'm really able to push this wash mitt in there. And I'm really able to remove that dirt. Okay, this is a very difficult area, this spot right here. Perhaps also if you have, let's say, a good detail brush, you could get in there. But most of us maybe don't have that or don't want to use that. So just a regular car wash glove that you use anyway for your hand wash. A great way to clean the tough spots in your car. What I also really like is that I can get into these door line areas here. Okay, all the way to the bottom. and up, and then with the glove I can also, you wouldn't spray here, but I can also here get it nice and clean. So, like this. And then also this inside area of the car is protected. Sehr schön. I hope it was useful for you. I really enjoyed doing this. I'm happy with the result. I did find it difficult to get into some of the tightest areas. So yeah, perhaps still using some sort of brush is best. But nevertheless, I think it's very good to just use a glove like this. Get into the areas, not destroy your fingers, and yeah, spray nice, and know that you're also protecting that area. Let me know how you do this tough cracks, and whether this was helpful, whether you use something like this. And I hope to see you next in the video, and please subscribe to support this channel. Thank you very much. Auf Wiedersehen.